Here's how to turn on joins on Roblox. Now open up the Roblox app on your iPhone, Android, or computer. And from here, the first thing we need to do is tap on more at the very bottom right. Now we need to get to your settings, so just scroll down until you see settings on that option. And then from here, privacy and content restrictions. Now, once you're in here, all you need to do is get to the option that says visibility and private servers, and then visibility. On your online status, if it's set to no one can join you on a game. So we want to switch this to either connections, followers, or you can switch it to everyone. I also want to switch the show current experience to everyone, and you might want to share your activity updates. Now keep in mind, if it doesn't allow you to do this, then you need to just go back, and back again, and then tap on account info at the very top. From here, you need to scroll down and check your birthday. If you're under 13, some of the joins options will be restricted due to your age, and if it doesn't have the right birthday, just update to the correct birthday.